engineers could build on lessons learned at Caltrans Transportation Management Center in Southern California. Since it opened in 2002, Marco Ruano has run the War Room, where transportation managers fight the worst traffic in the country.
We monitor basically traffic conditions as they occur on the system, including things like incidents and accidents. We initiate the response to these incidents and accidents. We observe flow over the system to evaluate where the bottlenecks are, where the backup, where the delay is occurring. With that, we're able to basically diagnose the freeway system here in Los Angeles, which will eventually help us to take steps on fixing congestion.
The key to the Caltrans system is a two-way flow of communication. Road conditions come in, and information to drivers goes out.
We have sensors in the pavement which tell us basically two things: the number of cars that pass over that sensor or that station, and the approximate speed at which that vehicle is going.
A computer translates raw data into a real-time picture of traffic congestion.
Generally speaking, if the map is all green, then we know that traffic is flowing smoothly. As we start to see the map change, you see maybe some yellow, some orange, we'll see that they're slowing.
The map reveals traffic conditions as communicated by sensors in the road. But the sensors only report volume, not car-to-car behavior, collisions, or other mishaps. But for either system to work, it must incorporate an effective method of rerouting traffic around trouble spots. At Caltrans, this is accomplished with hundreds of message signs, mounted along highways throughout the system.
So it's putting some information in the hands of the motorists so they can determine whether or not that they want to continue on that route for their commute.
Steve Holloway is a traffic manager at Caltrans.
What we do primarily is try to help people get to and from their jobs faster with as little disruption as they can due to the huge volume of traffic that we have here in the Los Angeles area.
Steve must maintain constant vigilance for anything unusual on LA freeways.
When I'm looking at the monitor, what I'm looking for is congestion. And whenever I see an area that's building up with congestion, I'll see it turn from green to yellow to orange to red. And what I do is I zero in on the area, looking at the map, and then I try to find that location and see if there's a corresponding incident, because this will give us the details of what's actually going on.
A sudden shift from green to red on one of the city's west side freeways is the telltale sign something has just gone wrong. It could be something as simple as a stalled vehicle, or worse.
Okay, right now there's an accident eastbound 60 and it's a 4-vehicle traffic collision. And so we've trained our camera 143 to look at it, and we can see the 2 right lanes are blocked in that area.
The 4-car collision creates a massive pileup, blocking the entire eastbound side of Highway 60.
Now we can respond by activating a changeable message sign so that we can tell people who are coming up to the incident that the 2 right lanes are closed and that they can either depart the freeway or either merge over to the left to try to avoid some of the congestion.
In DC, a powerful central computer could be the key to monitoring conditions within the pod network, especially if it could communicate directly